So here I am, rushing between events. Hello.
Hi.
Yesterday was Cisco Live in Amsterdam, and today I'm at PTC in London, and salubrious premiering to create the bread in that particular sandwich. So Cisco Live, of course, there's a lot of talk about AI, as you'd expect. Every single company that we're speaking to is talking about AI right now, and they're all saying similar things, but it's important to get past the superficial, hey, it's AI, therefore everything's changing and everything's happening kind of line, to what's going on beneath. For that. In Cisco's case, we're definitely seeing a company in transition.
Hi.
A lot about don't watch the mouth, watch the feet with any company right now, because we can all talk the talk. A very good question to ask as I stumble to my next event is how is Cisco walking the walk? The answer, interestingly, is that Cisco's actually doing a lot. There's a lot of innovation going on. And what do I mean by innovation? I mean that they're trying new things, they're developing new products, they're adding new features. They're trying to do so as quickly as possible into their routers and switches, into their front ends, into the Splunk side of things. So there's a lot of technical engineering work going on, and that's reaping real rewards, short-term rewards, let's say, to create new capabilities that they're rolling out pretty fast. And that's all, if I may say so, that's pretty impressive. I actually think all businesses right now could learn from that attitude of dynamic innovation that Cisco's spearheading. We talk about agility a lot, we talk about transformation a lot. These are the kind of buzzwords of strategy. But right now, I think the more important word to be used is velocity. We know that AI is still in its early stages. There's a lot that doesn't work. There's a lot that is still to be developed. Various examples. We've been through the RAG wave of models being just too big and cumbersome, and then needing that kind of more local knowledge to be fed through as well. We're going through the hallucination wave. One conversation was around the Waymos fighting over each other in San Francisco right now, and they're also damn polite. We've seen them all waiting for each other to come out of a junction and achieving that kind of stalemate. And don't tell me there isn't some person in a room somewhere going, okay, we need to take control of this particular situation. The key, nonetheless, is to be doing things. It's trying things. It's finding out what works. It's building experience. It's actually experimenting with the technology. But by experimenting with the technology, we're working the art of the possible now and the art of what's going to be possible in the future, because it is going to change a lot of the things that we're doing. And so the more that as individuals and as departments, teams, companies, that we can learn how to take advantage of that, the better. There's a fear maybe that saying that you're innovative means that you're coming out with all the answers. You know, you've got the insights, you've got the brilliance. Actually, innovation is about working out what doesn't work, and I think what we're also seeing from Cisco is a little bit of humility. That not everything is going to work. If I had a criticism, and it's less of a criticism and more of an observation really, it's that it all needs to be a bit more strategic. The way that this technology is being rolled out, the innovation wave, if you like, that's coming from Cisco is actually it feels more tactical than strategic. The strategy, though, because I'm being unfair, obviously, is in allowing that level of activity to happen, finding out what's going to work, etc. And over time, we'll see a maturing of that strategy up the stack and up into higher echelons of the business as Cisco, like every organization, works out how to build that into its overall business planning. And the strategy is tactical, if that's not an oxymoron. As we do move from tactics to strategy, we can think about the two elements of operational success. One is efficiency, and the other is effectiveness. And we need to be thinking about both at the same time. Efficiency is about doing things right. If you do them wrong, you're less efficient. If you do them well, then you waste less and you achieve more. Effectiveness is about deciding what's actually useful to achieve in the first place. Who are the customers you're trying to reach? What are the products you're trying to sell? How can you actually deliver the outcomes that you as an organization are trying to deliver? So the innovation can happen at the efficiency level, and there, with Cisco, we can see Splunk with AI ops and mining that data to enable incidents to be processed faster and diagnosis more efficiently, etc., etc. But it's the effectiveness side of things as well. It's the new products. It's the being able to reach different parts of the organization and deliver benefits to their customers that also needs to be tackled. Lovely little restaurant there that I had lunch with Nori a couple of years ago. Here I am in Paddington Basin, amazing place, all very cool. This isn't about some kind of futuristic idea of businesses are going to transform. This is the transformation is happening now, and in order to understand how that transformation is taking place, you need to engage with it. You need to actually be learning for yourself what the tooling that exists all the way up the stack can give you, if it is augmented in some way, enabling you to use that data that you weren't able to use before. It's all to play for, really, and it's up to every organization to engage with that and have the humility as well to not try to be thinking about how it needs to look good all the time, but be prepared to break things, to fail a bit, learn from those failures and mistakes, and learn the new way of doing things. Forget agility. Velocity is about starting to take opportunities at that tactical level, enabling and empowering your teams to actually engage with this stuff and not run away from it or think that it's something that you can do later. Add that dynamism and velocity into your organization. It's all to play for. The rewards are for the brave, not for the wary in this particular instance. So let's all crack on. And with that, I need to get into my next event. So I'll see you all later, and power to your collective elbows. Let's do this.